Yo, what is up, my dudes? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back to some more GitWeb development, or should I say, device mod development under disguise. Device mod development under disguise, because you know this is a part of the device mod, but yeah, it's kind of its own separate series, I guess. It's kind of its own separate series. It's big enough to make it. It's big enough to make it its own series. All right, all right. You get me? Because we're not only going to be doing like actual kind of development of it, but we're also going to like create websites eventually with this series. So there will be like points where we're actually just purely going to be creating a website. So that's why it's kind of good for it to be a separate stream. So you guys, you know, in case you don't want to watch me creating websites, then you don't have to. Mr. Redfish, that doesn't even make sense. But what's up, dudes? How's everybody going? How's everybody going? Today, we're going to be working on adding a couple more modules. Hopefully I can get stuff done today. I might actually I'm going to try and focus on actually getting stuff done. like actually let's power through some of this stuff. Let's power through some of this stuff, because when I live stream, obviously I'm going to be a little bit more distracted than I usually would be, because I'm interacting with you guys, I'm answering your questions. Whereas if I was coding alone, I'd be able to code all this stuff like boom, 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 boom. Like, I don't have anybody, I'm not relying, you know, I'm not having to worry about entertaining or anything like that. So we'll see if we can power through and see if I can actually keep up with the entertainment or interaction as well in this live stream today. So if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you remember to go ahead and snap that like button. I got my stream deck fixed up as well. I simply literally had to unplug my USB hub, then plug it back in. That was all I had to do. Something was up with it. It was really strange, but it's fixed now, and you should see the message in the chat now, because I pressed the button on my thing. Alrighty. So, let's go ahead, let's get into this right now. So, what did we do yesterday? Oh yeah, we worked on the paragraph module. We added in a furnace module. We could add in brewing stand module today. Tempting to do an anvil module potentially as well. So, we have a bit to do. You know, they could be easy though. They could be easy to pull off though. What's a module? Rip Harambe, true. If you guys saw the latest video. On my main channel, a resurrected Harambe. Hashtag dead meme. In Fortnite, there's meteors. Now I'm gonna play later. Dang. Sounds good. I didn't get Discord notification. I'm late. Rest in pepperoni then. But if you guys have any ideas for modules that you'd like to see available for websites, now when I say modules and suggestions for it, make sure they're very kind of generic. They're kind of very versatile, because if they're for one very specific case, then there's no point. It needs to be very versatile. That's what HTML is like. It doesn't have you know, something very specific for one thing only. You can utilize all of it to create something. Oh my god, what the heck? Where's this ad coming from? Where's this ad coming from? Oh, it's Twitch. Twitch, you suck. Playing ads literally while I'm streaming. Holy shoot. Goddamn Twitch launcher. Holy shoot. Sick Twitch app. Now I realize how you get your views. That's how Twitch gets their views. They automatically play an ad. They automatically play an ad for you. Holy shoot. That was insane. Alrighty. So let's just make sure we haven't. We need to just make sure we got some clean commits. Alright, so it seems to be all good. Alright. So I want to add a slideshow module. The only problem with the slideshow module is that, I mean, it does, yeah. I guess it's, I don't know. The thing is, like, it has to be the right size. Like, you can't just, I'm trying to think. It's just kind of like an awkward, it's like an awkward size type thing. Yeah, don't worry about it yet. I'll do it later on. Alrighty, so what I want to do is we might actually work on like the anvil brewing, and then also I want to fix up paragraphs to actually add in like image support. I think that would be good. So module, paragraph module. So it would be like an optional type thing. So it would be like, you know, if data contains image. So if it contains an image, then okay, we're gonna have to change this around. Oh no, hold on. Alright, we can manipulate it here. It's all good. It's all good. It's a family-friendly channel. You can't say God's name without praying. It's a Christian channel. Please make Photoshop tutorial. I'm noob and I need your pro, so I need your help. Please make one. Nah, I'm not doing Photoshop tutorials. There's tons of other tutorials on YouTube. I'm not a Photoshop channel, sorry. I'm a modding channel. Modding channel, whatnot. Where is the everybody's? Where is the everybody's? That is my question. And if you guys want to get a shout out in today's live stream, make sure you go over to my Twitter, link in the description below, and retweet it. You get a flippin' awesome shout out at the end of this live stream today. Maybe you're new around here. Maybe you're not. Hey, what up, Isaac? How you doing? I see you. I'm lagging. No, you're lagging. Your internet can't handle the connection. If you guys, make sure you guys, if you can't handle the connection, turn down your quality, because the problem is that I do real-time interaction live streams, which means you can't actually scroll back in the live stream. And because of that, you actually need to have a good connection. Otherwise, you can't keep up to date with the live. Because you can't kind of lag behind in the stream. You actually have to be kind of, you know, you have to be actually, you know, good connection to keep up with it. So turn down the quality if you can't keep up with the stream. Alrighty, so data that contains image. So it contains the image. We might do like image equals new image. Alright, so what are we going to specify here? Left top width height. We'll say is 0, 0. Width will be width divided by 3 or 4. 3 or 4. Let's say like int size. Say 4 for now, and we're gonna make it like a square image. I feel like that's the only way to really do it. Alright. Oh, then we already know. We just do width take, size take 5. And then 5 for there. How long does it take you to Photoshop? Like 2 seconds. I mean, I'm not the best at it. I'm not a professional, but I've you know, over time I've learned certain things. You know, you create, basically, you can create blending. You create blending presets, so you can easily add like an outline to something, a drop shadow to something. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not the best at it, you know. I know what I'm doing, but like, there's so many more things I don't even know about Photoshop, to be honest. Where's everybody at? Where's my sponsors at? Where's my regulars at? We got a dead chat today. We have literally a dead chat. I guess that means I can work on something. I don't know, dead chat, rip chat. It's because you're not talking, Bloxy. Notified every. Let's see. Look at all these people. I'm shaming them. Like, envying Fig T, Ocelot, Pickle, Tyrell. I bet your Ocelot didn't even get notified. Okay, look at him. Right, let's go on this one. Look at all these beautiful sponsors not here. All these beautiful sponsors not here. What happened to the sponsors? They're here. What up, Colin? How you doing, dude? I'm finally able to watch your streams again? Question mark. Yeah, what up, Spider MC? How you doing? I'm sorry for playing a game. Alright, so image. Add image. Then I'm gonna say width take equals size. Take 5. Oh no, sorry, that'd be plus 5. So that will adjust when we actually do that there. And then for here we say do something like that. Let's say int height equals width divided by 4. And I'll say math.max height. So whatever's the max height here. And there we go. That should really be. Oh no. We need to do like image.set image data.get image. What time is it for you, Cray? It is currently 11 AM in the morning. 11 AM in the morning. I forgot when you're releasing GitWeb, the next update of the device mod, which I want to get out soon, so that's why I'm kind of working on a lot of GitWeb at the moment, because I want to get it out, but we also need to develop some websites before a lot of it happens, so we will be having to do that at some point. Have you guys heard Post Malone's new album? Are you guys a fan of Post Malone? I'm a fan of Post Malone. I wonder if any of you guys are. Hey Cray, you should go to Twitter. Why do I have to go to Twitter? What up, Jack Sniper? How you doing? Didn't see a comment there. What is this for? Is it for the laptop? Yes. I'll show you right now. Show you right now, my dude. Actually, this will be bad. We need to do like, we'll say the height is this. Int height equals that. We'll say return we'll say width divided by 4 height. Oh, let's just return height. There we go. Because before we weren't, it would have been like, the size would actually been this, whereas we want it to be this as much as it can be, but yeah. Is this open for contributions? Websites, yes. Coding, yeah, kind of. Only really bug fixes. I'm not really a big fan of somebody adding in features. Like features randomly. But yeah, if you're interested, if any of you guys are interested in actually creating a website, you can actually create a website. Because basically what GitWeb is what it says. Like, we actually use a Git repository to put all the websites on, and then we actually just call it. How many lines of code do you think you have ditched from this mod? Probably a lot. Oh no, actually, I wouldn't say like a lot, actually. A lot of the code that I write, I don't know, I haven't been like, you know, scrap this type thing. I don't really do that. I would say, like, the only reason I've got rid of stuff is because I wanted to change it. I wanted to improve code. Like, I haven't really got rid of the core functionality of something. I just wanted to improve something. But right now, this mod, let's go ahead. Statistics. Let's go actually. Yeah, statistics. Yeah, look at this. Refresh on selection Java. I think this is all mine, yeah. So, I know you guys can't see it, but this is like statistics about all my classes and everything in this mod. And basically we have 23,000 lines of source code. 23,000 lines of source code. That is a lot. Holy shoot. 23,000 lines of source code. Yeah. Like, I'm not including, this one here is like total lines, but this one's actually source code lines. Like, the total lines is like 29,000, which is not, doesn't really represent anything, but for source code it's like 23. I think that's it, yeah, 23,000 of source code. 23,000 lines of source code. So, pretty big project. Pretty big project if you ask me. Try managing that. Alright, so paragraph module. Let's go ahead, let's check you out now. So if we launch up Minecraft, let's go ahead, let's check this out. Why didn't you upload your laser mod secure yet? I've explained this so many times. If I release it right now, I'm gonna have tons of people come back to me, be like, why is there no crafting recipe? Why is it buggy? And that's why I haven't released it, because there's no crafting recipes. It's a little bit buggy at the moment, so I'd rather people just continue to ask me why I haven't uploaded it yet than... I'd rather have people ask me when I'm gonna upload it, rather than why'd you release a buggy mod? I mean, you told me to release the mod. So, it's up to you. Yeah, that's awesome. Yes, Isaac, do it. How many months has it been? Over a year, right? It's like over 2 years now. It's been over 2 years. But I haven't worked on it like I have in the past couple of months. That's the one thing. Like, I think I worked on the device mod and then I stopped for like, I think like 4 months or something like that. I really like literally stopped. And then now I've like always been working on it every single day. Like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to like, yeah. What's going on here? What happened here? Why'd that break? Yo, why'd that break? Why the heck did that break? Interesting. Oh, no, Penguin song. I'm curious, why did that break? That's weird. That should like, how is that even possible? It's either it loads up the website or it displays like plain text. But it's like this here is, it's like displaying what's up here. Like this here is that. Why'd that break? I didn't do anything. We have a problem here. We're gonna have to like, yeah, we'll have to fix that up. Yeah, I'm very curious as why this is showing like that. Let's have a look at this web page. What we're gonna do is copy that. What's wrong with it? Oh, maybe it's this bit. There we go. Okay, so it's because it wasn't converted to paragraph that it was causing problems. Can't stop dwelling on empty words. By the way, which vehicle mod would you, what vehicle would you make tomorrow? Still deciding on that, but hopefully you guys are excited for the vehicle mod tomorrow. I am. I'm always excited to add in new stuff. Make a golf cart. Like tomorrow, we could either do two things, right? We could add in a new vehicle, or we could actually add in a new vehicle, or we could add in like a launch ramp. Vehicle. We could add in like a launch ramp. We could add in like an engine tiers. Vehicle. Alright. We'll add in a new vehicle. A drivable toilet. A lot of people have been saying that. Break away, forget your soul, Ricane. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway. Add a normal couch car that can be recolored. Yeah, the thing is, the furniture mod doesn't actually have the item. Like, you can get different colored couches, but like you can't actually get like a blue couch in your inventory. That's why I can't add in the. That's why I can't actually add in the couch with them. I added the colored items. Did you? Oh yeah, because you did like a massive thing, didn't you? Did you make a PR on that? Who did that? Or did I actually merge that? Oh no, you did. Maybe because I didn't even, yeah. I have a lot of new changes to do. Completely forgot about that, code changes. Make a recipe for cheese and crackers. This ain't a cheese and cracker mod. This is a device mod. Wi-Fi cheese and crackers. Anyone needs some Wi-Fi cheese and crackers? You can wirelessly connect up your food to a router and then it just makes it taste better. Yeah, what up, Think Lab Minions? How you doing? Sir Pickles is on the roof? No, he's not. I don't believe you. So I think it was, we want to make sure that when we're actually generating the modules that, because right now it's not doing it right. So generate layout, parse data. So like here where we say create plain website, we need to do like modules.clear for like, because I basically don't want our website to render. If it's got an error in it, but we might actually say like which one has the error. Maybe it's like an unknown. Like we can say it's like an unknown thing. Like for here as well, we could be like, you know, unknown. Like we could highlight the line with an unknown. I just have to try and figure out how we can color that one line though. Can you make it so you can create a website on GitWeb? You can. With the GitWeb builder. That's why it exists. It's going to be like a separate add-on, but it eventually might be like an official, potentially. I have a few more blocks to fix in the furniture mod. Okay. Hey Cray, I have the mod you showcased today. Did you? The zoo one? Cool little mod. Adds in some extra animals. Makes it a little bit more interesting into the game. How'd you make the 3D Earth logo? I didn't actually make it. Somebody else is developing the mod. Right now. I think they might have sent me an update. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if they did send me an update. I think there is like I've got a new update to it. We might actually download it. We could download it. Let's close up the game here. Hold up. Alright, let's start this up and see what the actual changes were. Do more MCPE videos. Yeah, I definitely want to do some more. Just go try and figure it out. I got to go Cray. I like the vid. Thanks, little Colby. Thanks for coming along, dude. Little Colby. What's your favorite thing in the furniture mod? Oh no, it's not. That's not directed to me. I like the red panda. My favorite's the kangaroo for show. The kangaroo for show. And it in the video, he wasn't jumping properly, but he actually does have like a jumping animation. Hey Cray, I shaped the like. I snapped the like button right in half. Yes, Isaac, you got the right idea. You got the right idea. If you guys are enjoying the live stream, make sure you remember to go ahead and snap that like button right in half, and make sure as well you go over to Twitter and retweet if you want to get a shout out. Drivable shower? Are you insane? A drivable shower. We should just make like the furniture mod. We should just call my vehicle mod the furniture mod at this point. So there we go. I mean, that's fixed, but let's have a look at this. Alright, so interesting. A little bit different. So new site, recent sites. So what happens if we do like hashtag banner? That would be an error, won't it? Won't even show. Yuck. Lel. Let's get an image. First one I see it on our Twitter. Let me get a decent image. It's crazy, like every post I look at now on Twitter is like an image. Like you can't just go to Twitter and not find a image. Alright, let's see this. Fortnite Season 4! Oh baby! Fortnite Season 4. Alright, we need to test out this paragraph. Help me. I'll say image equals that too. There we go, cool. So you can put like an image there now. But we're gonna fix it up. Because right now it's not right. And say int size equals width divided by 4. We also need to do padding as well. Kind of forgot about that too. Padding here. Plus since it's the high, yeah, plus padding times 2. Alright, there we go. Sure, it should be like exactly the same, which it is. I'm gonna make a Twitter to retweet your tweet. RBRB. That's right. That's right, dude. Get that shoutouts. I snapped the like button. My mum said I can't have Twitter. Rest in pieces. Rip in pieces. Cray, make a video where you go in search of Sir Piggles. I actually want to. So, we're gonna be trying to find him. Don't know where he is. He's missing. I actually, like, you guys, like, half these people, some people think I'm, like, legit putting it on, but, like, I legit don't know where he went. Legit don't know where he went. He just, like, disappeared, so that's why we're legit trying to find him. He legit disappeared. Some say he's still on a business trip, but I don't believe that. He literally just disappeared out of thin air. Maybe he died. No, I would know. I would know. I'd be able to smell him. I'll be able to smell him from miles away. So, all right, help me, help me. I feel like we need like a title component for paragraphs. I don't know. No, you don't really need to. Use the header if you want anything. Alright, let's get some lorem ipsum. Because I'm all about... Let's go copy that. Because I want to test this out properly. Let's get back. No. New. So, just an example of what you could do. Let's also add in like a hashtag header. You know, text equals about. And then we could do like and L and 6. Oh no, hold on. I think the scale equals 2. That's cool. About. We can do like a line equals left. A line equals left. It could be like Fortnite Season 4 coming out real soon. Replace the space with dot. I'm not downloading a random thing. No way am I going to that link, my dude. Sorry. If you want to send me an image, send me an image on like Imager. No, seriously, I think he might be dead, and if I'm wrong and you find him alive, you can call me out and say, get wrecked, noob. Mod Week 3? Yeah, I'm going to do Mod Week Season 3 probably in July or something like that, so get ready for that. Do GIFs work with GitWeb? No, they do not. Unfortunately not. Make Fortnite vids. No. Little Colby, you're back. Fortnite vids. No Fortnite. He right not playing Fortnite. He right. I have a website. I have a website on my desktop. Get website. Here we go. I just want to actually just grab a navigation bar. Code. Live. Oh yeah, look at this. Fortnite tips and tricks. Weapons. I don't know, let's see. Items. Tips and tricks. There's a Fortnite website. Weapons. Items. Tips and tricks. Could just like, you know, get rid of that header. Add vid support. I'm not doing videos, sorry. People don't really, I mean, I'm not saying it's not your fault, but the technology behind doing videos is too crazy. Like, it seems simple from a user's point of view, but it's not really, yeah. They're images, but they're different. They're not just like plain uncompressed images. So, do you use Sony Vegas Cray? No, I use Adobe Premiere Creative Cloud. Legit the best thing ever. Soz. I switched over like over a year ago now, because yeah, Premiere just seemed to be more reliable. I can do a lot more things with it. And it was faster rendering as well, so you can't really complain about faster rendering. So yeah, you can create websites now, really cool. Crafting. You can do paragraph with images now. We could instead do something like, let's go crayfish. Why don't we search up crayfish? Does it actually come up with me? No, it doesn't. Okay. It's still too generic. I say Mr. Crayfish. There we go. Let's pop this image in. Can't see what I'm typing. Uh-oh. Response code 406. What's that? No pro. Oh, no, hold on. I got rid of that. What's the response code 406? If the server can't send a data from request in the accept header, the server sends a... Probably something to do with my website. Doesn't like my headers. Response type is returning is not provided in accept HTTP header in client request. How do I do that? In my case, add content type. Ah! Content type. What's an image content type? MIME types. Here we go. Image. Oh, we can do like image.o potentially. The thing is, we're not. Yeah, I don't know. The problem is that we are. Oh no, here we are. Here we go. Hold up. Connection. Set. Request property. Content. Type. Oopsie. Image. Rest in pepperoni. Yeah, some websites just don't like. Some websites just don't like me trying to get images. Why do I gotta send a content type? I just don't know what the response is on it. Does Cray read the live chat? Of course I do. I just can't read it 24/7. Alright, I'm not going to change around it, but... Alright, apparently can't get things off my own website. Can't get things off my own website. Alright, we're going to go ahead and we'll do this image instead. There we go. Crayfish. Let's also like fetch my banner or something like that. Fetch my banner. Awesome, can't find out. Oh, here we go. My god. Why did they just make it so hard to get the actual image? Oh, let's go Social Blade. Inspect. Same thing. There we go. Found it. Found the link to the banner. Changes to my YouTube. So that should work. I'm see Mr. Crayfish. Creating Mr. Crayfish website. Yeah. Oh, we might even just get rid of that actually. Yeah, the Mr. Crayfish YouTube channel. We should have like a Mr. Crayfish website, that'd be cool. Cray's the best mod creator, can't wait for this to come out and also the new vehicles. Thanks King Rioter. I think it says that, Rioter, yeah. Before I got on the stream, I was watching your mod review. Yo, dude. That's what's up. That is what is up. Java really scaled this weird, like distorted the whole entire logo. Distorted the whole entire logo, holy shit. What time did I start this live stream? I started at like 10:50, alright. Just trying to figure out when I've got to stop. 12:50. Alright, so we've done that. Paragraph module. We're gonna take you higher. We'll say websites. Website. And blank. Return raw. Here. Third module. Added image. Added. There we go. Cray, I'm so excited to make a website inside of a laptop, inside of a game, inside of a laptop, inside of a program in a laptop. Inside of a I'm just trying to figure out the logic here, the inception. Inside of a laptop, so your laptop, inside of a game called Minecraft, inside of a laptop, which is a mod inside of Minecraft, inside of a program, which is a program which is designed for the laptop inside of Minecraft. In the laptop. The last bit doesn't make sense. The last bit didn't make sense. I really got to go now. My mum wants me to go to bed. Alright. Catch you later, dude. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for coming along. Alright. So we've done that. We want to do a brewing module. Your favorite couch is here? True. Container, Furnace, villager. Oh, we might need to add in villager too, dang it. Where's brewing? There it is. Oh god. It might be too big. Wait, hold up. Oh no, it just fits. Holy shoot. It just fits on one of these. That looks right. Let's have a think. 12, 9. That'd be 11 and 10, which is fine. V10. I could like secretly move this over by like 1 pixel like that. Nobody would know. Nobody would know. Some person's like, there's something wrong with this. I can just tell. There's something wrong with this. The only thing I don't like about it now is that we don't have like a padding around the actual thing. We don't have a padding around this, so like it should be at least a 4 pixel padding. So I might have to make this bigger. So let's think here. So that's 2, 1, 2. So we will have to try and make it so it can change the height of it. So you did not notice me type, so I retyped. Is your favorite peanut here, by the way? I'm Nash on Angels. You're the only peanut. You're nuts, dude. You're nuts. I can't wait for GitWeb, it's gonna be awesome. How you hanging? One thing I'm annoyed is that these are like too big. They're like literally too big by 2 pixels. Like these need to be like a couple pixels shorter. because I can't fit them on here. Because I can't put like another set of them here because they're too... They need to be like 2 pixels shorter. Just make it large and load it as a buffered image. What do you mean? Just make it large and load it as a buffered image. Oh, you make me wanna talk back. Talk back to you. Perfectionist, pretty much. Yeah, boy, a perfectionist here. Also, one thing that I want to do as well is we don't have like a way to indicate what we're looking at. Like, I know this is a crafting table, right? But what if somebody doesn't know it's a crafting table? How do they know what are they going to open up? Because for instance here, we have an anvil, but the anvil could kind of indicate a crafting trade for the villager. Just make it no, I've already read that. Low. I'm doing like a 4 gap in between them. I feel like that's a good way to kind of standardize it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same. What are we talking about here? It's 12 high. 12 high. Oh no. 11 high. Ah! 12 verse 11. Alright, there we go. I do want to make it 128 because now we can't fit in anything else. So, one thing that we're gonna do. Right, the chances of you noticing is pretty low. Let's think about what we got here. 21, 19. There we go. $128 is less than 256. What? Yeah, but 128 is half of 256, so I can actually have like another set of things over this side. I'll just go ahead and merge these together because I can't exactly get everything is just moved over one. Well, 7 10 10 10. Huh. Weird. So that's 7, that's 10, that would be 8, 9. Ah. Alright, there we go. I gotta go, but just wanted to let you know that I retweeted the latest tweet. Thanks, dude. I'll definitely make sure I shout your name out, and hopefully you'll be able to hear it later on at the end of the live stream. My battery is dying. See you, Cray. Keep up the good stream. Thanks for coming along, Isaac. Ooh. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and move this just down to the bottom. Move that down to the bottom. Now we have the ability to actually create some more over here. Is it me or is the stream usually choppy? The reason why you might have a choppy stream is because basically what I've got on is that, because I'm not dropping frames or anything like that, what I've got on is live interaction. So basically it disables DVR, and basically it means all viewers have to keep up to date with literally the latest, like it has to be legit live. Like, you can't be like, you know, you can't be like a behind by a minute. So if you're falling behind, it will buffer most likely and try and get you up to the latest part in the live stream. So in that case, turn down your quality. Turn down the qualities, they said. Turn them down, they said. Maybe your internet sucks. I don't know. So have we covered everything? We got crafting, we got anvil. That's pretty much it. One thing I want to do I have to decide on how high. 9 pixels for the text. I was thinking it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then how much padding does it need? Say 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the end of the stream for shoutouts. I finally cleared up all the errors in BlueJ, just some debugging to do and get the MBT serialization to work, and it'll be good. Woo! Sounds good, dude. Excited to see it. Excited to see it. So you explain to me what's BlueJ again. It's like an IDE. It's like what ITA was working on, but I need a better explanation, you know? I need a better explanation, you know? I want to know the deets. I want to know the deets. It's an IDE that allows you to write and run code inside of Minecraft. Okay. I mean, I kind of guessed that point, but what's the goal of it? That's deep. Oh. there we go. The goal is to write apps or just practice programming in general, make beginner or younger people learn programming through Minecraft for real, and maybe make mods, but I mean, that's kind of good actually. That's kind of cool, to be honest. Have like an actual programming thing on there, create apps through it. It'd be actually a really cool way to do it, to be honest. And then what we could do for this... Oh, I'm dying here. I'm out here dying. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3. Alright, there we go. Probably like, why did you do that? Why did Crayfish do that? Well, we're adding in titles. I don't care. We're adding in titles to it. Save. Didn't you have a thing where we could pay for modding tutoring? I did not. I have Patreon. I have Patreon, which if you become a Patreon premium, I'll actually give you modding support, but I don't actually give you tutoring or anything like that. Like, if you get Patreon premium, I will, and you become a part of the Discord, right? I will actually, I will help you out with any question that you need or anything like that. Help with any question and whatnot. I thought you did some like live chat thing. What do you mean by that? I don't know. But yeah, like if you become a Patreon premium, like I will help you out. I can go into voice chat with you and help you out like that. Like that's what I kind of do now. It's probably the Cherno. I don't know. No. Cherno is so bad. Cherno's not bad. How's Cherno bad? Cherno hates me? Why do they hate you? Why does he hate you? Cherno is bad at Java life. You're judging him off a series that he did like 3-4 years ago now. Lel. I was acting a bit inappropriate in his set, but to be honest, I couldn't help it. I have bipolar mania, and that was, yeah, but I'm better now. He almost banned me. Rip. Rip. Alright, how much time we got left? Alright, we're still good on time. Alright, now I need to change around a bunch of things here. Holy shoot. Container box. Well, width will always be the same. We'll say int height. Escape with me. So that's going to be 128. 128. What's the height going to be? Height and height. So furnace box. I'll say crafting box first. 79. $79 too. Texture U. Are we 128? 128. We gotta fix that up. I just kind of been looking for someone to help because I want to get into modding and I have no clue where to start. I know a fair bit of Java. Yeah, I mean I've got old modding tutorials which are still relevant. Like the code might be broken but they're still relevant. But yeah, they're not updated. Not updated. Get to see that. Hold on. Just trying to think what level of this of my microphone that I should have it on before you guys can actually see it on screen. All right. I'm like standing up here. It's so weird. Look at me. Boing, boing. I'm jumping. Yeah. We've got all these hard-coded values. And now We're going to fix up the calculating the heights. $79 apparently. Alright, let's launch this up and see what happens. Yo, Master Chief, what's up? Where you been? What the heck? Oh, that's cool. I can see how long people have been sponsors for. I can see how long people have been sponsors for. If I highlight over the icon, I can see that you're like 4 months. Bloxy Way says 4 months. Master Chief for 3 months. Final project's been keeping me busy. Ah, okay. Pharaoh. Yeah, I saw those. I've been subscribed to you for much before you created your dev channel. You probably don't remember me, but I was really active for your first month of modding streams last year or so. Ah, okay. Yeah, I can't remember. It's been, yeah, difficult. I got my first credit card. Wish me luck, LeMayo. Why'd you get a credit card? I don't even have a credit card. I just got like a debit card. RIP. So yeah, we got a bit of a bit of stuff to do here. I need a credit card to stay a bit more financially secure. Okay. So what we're gonna do is also have like int height, item stack, icon. So we're going to do that. We're going to do render util.draw render item. Stack. We're actually going to do a New item stack. So crafting table. I could have made it so like you can decide to have it or not, I don't know. Just start the game. That's just most Americans. Most Americans have quite a few credit cards. I have a debit card too, but like what can you do? Sorry, more and more again and again. I submitted the original rifle model. Oh! Now I remember you. That's right. It's completely different now. Completely different now. Whoops. So what we're going to do is actually do 0, 0. We're actually going to do GL state manager dot translate XY. There we go. I just like to have, I don't know about you, me. Sometimes, like, it helps knowing when the push and pops happen. So render you to a draw clipped string, title, X, Y, width, 120, it's like 110 or something. And yeah. Color. So normally it'd be 16 wide. We need to figure out what the so int title width. Title. I'll say content width plus 8 plus maybe like 4 pixel padding. It's about 4 pixels. So we'll do something like this. 128, take that, divided by 2, content, offset, plus 8 plus 4. There we go. Basically centered it there. Also, I don't believe that's 79, but apparently it is. Apparently its height is 79, but it's not drawing it. Here's the box U. It's because probably the crafting module's height doesn't consider the padding. That's it there, isn't it? Yeah. Say 89. Yeah, there we go. Do you have a Patreon server up right now? Yeah, it is. We're currently fixing up some things on it, so it's currently... we had a problem with my vehicle mod causing some issues, and it was due to bungee cord. So we'll have the vehicle mod, because what I want to do, maybe this weekend, what we're going to do is actually have a race. We might have a race with the vehicle mod, which will be interesting. So... would you guys want to see that? If you're a sponsor, obviously. 2 more weeks, then I'm free. Yes. See, how far do these gotta go down? It's not changing. Alright, that's the result. Whoops. Times 18 plus 8. One more pixel. And then it's correct. There we go. So how much difference was that? It was like... oh my god, I forgot what this was now. So that was 19. Hold on, we need to get back. So it was 19, so it was like 8. 8 plus 1, so 9. So it'd be 35 now. Hey Cray, what's your real name, or is it private? My real name's Casey. I know, interesting. Very interesting. You just gained yourself a new Patreon? Yo dude, what's up? Welcome to the squad. It should come up on the live stream. It should come up on the live stream if you become a Patreon. Hi, will you make a real cars on your vehicle mod? No, I won't. There won't be any real vehicles. There won't be any real... Like, I don't want it to be like a... I don't want it to be a realistic car mod because that's what everybody does. That's what everybody's done with every single vehicle mod. They've added in real looking vehicles. I want to have like cool stuff. I don't want to have boring stuff. I want to have cool stuff that people, you know, who doesn't want a go-kart, you know? Go-kart, Segway, golf cart. Who doesn't want those epic vehicles? So... Anyways, did you guys like the idea of putting that at the top there? I mean, it kind of works. I guess it works. Or do you think it was overkill? Is the smoothest vehicle mod? Why not? Damn, because I don't want to add. I don't want to add like a Lamborghini. I don't want to add, you know, these types of vehicles. Because I don't. That's not how I vision my mod. I don't want it to be like a realistic car mod. I want it to be a fun car mod. Oh, my love for this mod is gone now. Alright. I mean, that's not my fault. That's not the... That's not my fault. That's your fault for thinking that this is going to be a realistic car mod. I already had my ideas for this mod set in stone. So you're only getting sad about yourself. You're getting sad because of yourself. What about specialized cars? When you have to press a certain button, they activate a certain power that give you an advantage in a race. Like, yeah, that's possible to do it. Like something like a go-kart or something. Add NOS. Add NOS in. Jeez. Holy shoot. And you can get any car you want, but only one player per car. Hey, there we go. Oh, dang. He did the $15, dude. What up? Welcome to the Patreon squad. So, yeah, if you need any sort of modding help, I am 100% willing to help you, dude. Make sure you join the Discord. Make sure you join the Discord, and there's a premium area for you where there's general chat if you want to have a chat. Modding support is where you can ask any questions in terms of modding, and I'll definitely be helping you out there. And then yeah, just go to there's the there'll be a whitelisting channel. It will give you all the information about how to join. We still need to say to people to download the Cray pack, because the Cray pack is required to play on the server. So I can help you get set up with that if you go onto just the general channel and just ask. Maybe do it as well on its own one in the future when GitWeb as well, and so is the vehicle mod and Blue Jay. It'd be a cool thing like Copycat, MasterChef, Ocelot Graded, and me can help with. Wait, what do you mean? That's sad because your mod isn't like Flans vehicles and vehicles mod that desyncs aren't cool to drive. Your mod is smooth and so synced across network. That's incredible. Well, there you go. What's I tried out Flans mod and I hate it. I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was, but I tried it out and I hated it. And this is like, okay, because how I like to design my mods, is kind of like straightforward. You don't have to read anything on how to actually work anything. But the problem with the Flans and all the content packs and whatnot is it adds in so many different types of ammos. It adds in so many different types of weapons. You don't understand, like, it's hard to, you know, straight off the bat to say, oh, you need this certain type of ammo. Then when you come to vehicles and whatnot, there's some weird GUI which has no information at all. You gotta add, I think you gotta add fuel in. But then some weapons have gun mounts, and then you gotta figure out what ammo you gotta put in it, and it's like, what ammo does it take? And like, yeah, same for the vehicles. Like, flying is super duper weird. Driving, I don't know. No one just did it nice. No one's done it nice, and that's why I developed my own vehicle mod. Because no one's done it well. They're all been really like, they've been like, oh yeah, you can move this entity, cool, it's a vehicle mod now. But they haven't been like, okay, you can move this entity, but in a really nice way and has nice physics and actually works across the server. Where do I get the Cray pack? If you have the Twitch, you can get it basically from CurseForge, but if you have the Twitch launcher, go into the mod section and just search for the Cray pack, and you'll be able to download it there. And as well, like, the Cray pack will also have it will also have the link in it as well for the server, for the sponsor server. The server might be down right now, but I'm gonna push an update, and hopefully Master Chief, I think Master Chief manages the Cray pack to you, because I'll have to send him a new update for the vehicle mod that actually restores, you know, yeah, you do. Okay, so I'll send you an update, dude, for the new vehicle mod, which fixes problems with the server. Oh no, I think it's already, I think I already published it, actually. I think I already published it. Oh, did you actually update it? I think I actually published it already, actually. It should be 0.6.1. It fixes up it crashing on Bungee Cord servers. Alright, so what is that coordinates? $79. I will wait for you. Oh, see 79 here. Ah, you know what we could have done? Dang it! We should have just kept it how it was and then just like rendered this outside above it. You know, that could have worked. That could have been better. It would have saved us on space inside of the actual image. Well, I guess we're gonna have to do it next live stream to fix that up. Dang it. Oh well. It happens. I think it would look better if it's outside of it, to be honest. I'm angry. Hangry. I'm gonna make pizza toasties. I'm gonna make pizza toasties, my dudes. Dang it! Is Sir Piggles Jr. kidnapped Sir Piggles? Maybe. I don't know. I actually don't know where Sir Piggles is. We're finding him still. We're gonna be finding him. And the best are those animations, wheels turning, and the funny part too. And I mean, you should add the minimum one real car so people with the source code will be able to make new cars easily. People can already. That's the thing is, like, I've made it. My source code. Adding new vehicles is becoming super duper easy in the mod, because basically you can just provide what is the body of the vehicle, where are the wheel positions, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. So it's becoming super duper easy to add vehicles into the vehicle mod. Eventually I want to make it so it's like, if I want to add a vehicle, I can literally, like, don't even have to touch any of the rendering code. That's like where I want to get to, because then I could add like vehicles like that. Like, it would just be like a basic vehicle. Like, if I want to do an advanced vehicle, I can do that. But for like a basic one where I'm just like, okay, use the toilet from the furniture mod and add wheels to it, that would only have to be like, you know, a line of code and then a couple lines of code, and that's it. I think there's like something to do here. I know it's not. Haven't got anything yet. Detective Crayfish. Ah! Or just a car isn't making your mod. What is that? Loons? What do you mean by loons? The thing is, I don't want to, yeah, it's just like, I don't want to make my mod feel like other, I don't want my mod to feel like other car mods out there. I mean, it already doesn't, but like, I just don't want to add a realistic vehicle. I just don't like adding realistic vehicles. I just want generic vehicles, ATV, go-kart, fun stuff. So, yeah. I need to be whitelisted. Go to the Discord, dude, and there's a channel called Whitelisting. And it automatically whitelists you. All you have to do is enter in your username. We just have to make sure the mods are updated, because you might not be able to get onto either of the servers. Yeah, I tried to make it super simple process to get onto the server. I do need to update some information though. There's so much stuff that I gotta do, it's crazy. You guys don't realize how much stuff I gotta do. Like, I wanna clean up on CurseForge, I wanna clean up the vehicle mod page. I wanna actually make some renders and put them on there of all the vehicles. I want to, yeah, I need to clean up the Discord so it's a lot easier for sponsors and whatnot to understand on how to actually get onto the server. So I might make like a tutorial video. Make a tutorial video on how to, you know, set everything up, just so it's easier, like an all-in-one type video on how to join the sponsor server. Have you tried using the recent site list on this thing? I don't know how it works. Let's test. Ah, okay. Ah, interesting. CGM in vehicle? What about him? The server needs to be updated or the pack? Oh, it's probably the pack. Yeah, the pack will need updating. Get them updated. Should be pushed already. Hopefully it's pushed on Curse, my gun mod. I don't think my gun mod wouldn't be pushed. That's the only thing I can think that wouldn't be pushed, but I'm pretty sure it is. Gun mod. Let's have a look. It's not there. Yeah, my gun mod not synchronized on the server. I'm gonna submit my mod as non-experimental. Submit it as non-experimental. Because it's not really non-experimental anymore. It's a legit thing. Gun mod 0.1.2. Is that the latest? Is that the latest? I don't know. My voice. Alrighty, but anyway, that's going to end up this live stream today. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. If you did, make sure you remember to go ahead and snap that like button right in half. Show your support for the streams. And then also I'm going to go ahead and do some Twitter shoutouts as well. So, oh my god, important. I might listen to myself for no reason. I did not do anything wrong. I have even reported hackers and sent you pictures. My MT name is Chicksoul. This pic was uncomfortable. You hope you can whitelist me and message me back. What? Don't know who that was. We've got a shout out to King Polar. Who else we got here? Just making sure I don't miss anybody. Alright, we're all good. Let's shout you out, my dudes. Shout out to Space Cat, Envying, Golem 47, J-Splat, Lister, Zapanta, Narshan Angels. I think that's how you say it. Think Lab Minions, Ocelot, Builder Boy 426, Fabby 50, Zach McNugget, making me hungry. Little Colby, Unequal Gamer, Zychrome HD, and Donovan Wood. Cheers, guys, for the support there over on Twitter. Appreciate you guys. Have we got a last minute? Oh, he did get in. That is it, my dudes. Thank you guys for joining this live stream today. Still got some work to do. You know, we cleaned up Paragraph. We kind of worked on crafting modules and started adding in more of them. I think next live stream we should have them all fixed up. But tomorrow is going to be a vehicle mod live stream, so make sure you guys come tomorrow because it's going to be awesome. It's going to be epic. We're going to be adding in a brand new vehicle. So come along, join us for some fun, and I hope to see all of you guys there. Turn on post notifications as well so you get notified when it does go live. Actually, follow me on like Twitter or on Discord because I actually send out notifications on there just in case YouTube, which if everybody knows here, doesn't send out notifications for when I go live. So follow me on Twitter, turn on notifications on Twitter maybe. Could help you out. But I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for everybody coming along. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Peace out, my dudes.